Right, this car right here is what we call an instant seller. So if you like what you see on my video, call me on the number on the screen. My name's Richard, and discuss this car with me. And don't wait, because we'll sell it straight away. Just taken in part exchange. The previous owner of this car is waiting to watch this video because he adored this car. And what a car it is. It's a 3-litre HSE Dynamic Range Rover Sport with some unbelievable features. Number one, it's got a stealth pack from factory, which gives it the black badges, black grille, the 21-inch gloss black wheels, black mirrors, all the black styling pack. So that's full stealth pack with the black roof as well. It's got a full Land Rover service history, 2016 66, done 54,000 miles. But for a car like this, it is pristine, and with a Land Rover service history and the services it's had, it is a brilliant buy for someone. It has been so well looked after. The biggest things on this car is the spec. It's got electric steps, it's got opening tilt and slide sunroof. As far as spec goes for one of these cars, I don't think you'll find a better one for the money. We're going to price it at $39,990, and I think for that money, especially the way these sports are selling, these shaped sports, it's just going to sell straight away. So if we have a look around the car, the stealth pack gives it the gloss black wheels with the red Brembo braking calipers, gloss black bonnet inserts and wing inserts, the mirror casings and the roof. The car was Gardex from new from Land Rover. There's a sticker on the windscreen, which means it's obviously being looked after. But look at that. The electric steps, if you sort of open the seat, the door, the steps fold in, fold out and then fold in a second as you shut the door. That's a big option. It's about $3,000 on one of these cars. The sunroof as well, unbelievable feature to have. Lots of these cars have no sunroof or fixed glass roof. This opens. Right, rear of the car. Stealth pack, black badges, black boot finisher, black section to the bottom, and of course, being a Range Rover Sport, all the premium features you'd ever want, assisted tailgate, big boot space, and this car is just superb condition. Yes, it's done 54,000 miles. It's not gonna be brand new, but if you're looking for one, I honestly don't think you'll find a better condition one than this for the money. Now, into the inside, heated rear seats, full ebony leather, this car's got another upgrade, which is the two-tone dash. So the doors and the dashboard and the center armrest all finished in ivory, which I think just breaks the car up, looks stunning. Being an HSE and being a Dynamic, it's got a different driving mode, but it's also got things like keyless entry, heated and cooled front seats, electric memory seats for driver and passenger. But it's just a stunner, honestly. It's a belting car, this. $39,990, full Land Rover history. And the man who's owned it before is a Land Rover nut. He's looked after the car properly at Land Rover. Every time it's needed servicing, he's had it done. And he didn't want to sell it, basically. His circumstances with his family meant that he had to sell the car and get something slightly bigger. And this was his baby. And honestly, it's going to sell straight away. So the 3-litre diesel engine, good on fuel, just over 300 brake horsepower. The car's crisp inside, cruise control, digital dash, obviously touchscreen interface that you get in the Range Rovers with the reversing camera. Going into the seats, we've got heated seats to the front. Easy to do. You can actually use the graphic, or you can just push this little dial and twist it. Digital climate control, 4-wheel drive settings, terrain settings, air suspension. This car, being a Dynamic, has the dynamic drive, so twisting it into the Dynamic, if you can notice there, the clock's changed to red. The car does perform better. That's a big feature of one of these as well. But it's just a cracking Range Rover for the money. Honestly, it's a belter. In the right colour, when you get a grey car like this with the black styling, or the stealth pack as Land Rover call it, it just breaks it up and it looks great. Honestly, it's a stunning car. $39,990. 56,000 miles, or I think it might just be 54,000 miles, but what a car it is. Just get it reserved straight away. Thanks for watching.